Live look at the New York Stock Exchange. Big board, as you could see, the Dow dropping more than 2,031 points today. If you have an investment account and recently checked it, you might be a little concerned, but you're not alone. It was another troubling day on Wall Street as markets across the globe react to President Donald Trump's new tariffs on countries. And we will have more on that. Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Brendan Scanlon is joining us live on Capitol Hill right now. Brendan, you have advice from financial experts and more details on how these tariffs are impacting American investors. Brendan, good evening.
Hey there, Eva. Good evening to you. Well, today's stock market drop comes as many countries begin to retaliate against President Trump's tariff announcement on Wednesday. Today, China, one of the United States' largest trading partners, announcing an additional 34% tariff on all U.S. goods. That news not doing any favors for investors. U.S. stocks plunging again on Friday, following the worst day for the S&P 500 since 2020 and a 1,600-point plunge for the Dow on Thursday. Similar trends on display Friday, giving Democrats some fuel to criticize the Trump administration.
He's playing poker with Americans' livelihoods, with Americans' retirement savings, and with Americans' hard-earned income.
Economists say uncertainty is driving volatility.
Expect very high volatility, and there's going to be some stress. It's going to be a little bit tough waters for the next few weeks.
The administration characterizing it as an adjustment period.
The markets will adjust. Businesses around the world, including in trade and global trade, they just need to know what the rules are. Once they know what the rules are, they will adjust to those rules.
But what does it all mean for short-term and long-term investments?
And if it's short-term, you need this next year, 2 years from now, 3 years from now. You should keep it very safe and away from the stock market. But long-term investors see these periods of time as opportunities. They're buying at low prices, theoretically, and hopefully selling it high. I mean, that's the age-old adage of the stock market, right?
Financial advisor Jason Nickerson says it's too early to tell how big an impact these tariffs will have, but adds that dips in the market are not uncommon.
This is what happens. We reach highs. Theoretically, we should have a pullback at some point.
He recommends creating a surplus within your cash flow by either earning more or spending less to help prepare for higher costs.
We can't control what tariffs are in place. We can't control interest rates. We can't control a lot. What we can control is our own budget, our own spending. And if we can insulate ourselves from a lot of these changes, then we'll be in much better shape.
And Eva, as you said earlier, the Dow plunging over 2,000 points, or by about 5.5% today. The broader S&P 500 dropped nearly 6%, and the more tech-heavy NASDAQ composite dropped 5.8% today after falling 6% yesterday. The NASDAQ now down 22% from its December record. Reporting live on Capitol Hill for Erie News Now, I'm Brendan Scanlon. Eva, back to you.
A lot of numbers, but a lot of concern as well. Brendan, thank you.